When you exhale, start to shake. Shake, 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 shake. Lower the arms and just start to shake everything. Shake it all in. When you are ready to sit up, get your mantra sheet, please. And we'll start our experience and our experiment to work with the Ajai Alai sound code. Ajai Alai, invincible, indestructible. Abay, abay. Fearless, unchanging. Abu, aju, unformed, unborn. Anas, akas, imperishable, etheric. Aganj, abunge, unbreakable, impenetrable. Aluk, abuk, unseen, unaffected. Akal, diyal, undying, merciful. Aluk, abuk, indescribable, uncostumed. That's an interesting word, isn't it? Anam, akam, nameless, desireless. Agaha, adaha, unfathomable, incorruptible. Anate, pramate, unmastered destroyer. Ajoni, amoni, beyond birth, beyond silence. Narage, narange, beyond love, beyond color. Narupe, nareke, beyond form, beyond shape. A kadamung, a budamung, beyond karma, beyond doubt. A ganje, a leke, unconquerable and indescribable. This is a powerful mantra that can lift you out of depression and uncontrollable anger. It was written by Guru Gobind Singh, who was the 10th Sikh Guru. And these powerful words hold the sound codes of the divine in a very specific manner. These words are permutation and combination to shine the radiant body, and they will bring you great sensitivity and give you the ability to compute what people are actually saying. Hallelujah. Chanting correctly, which, that can be uncomfortable, just saying. Chanting correctly gives you the power to surpass anything, and that whatever you say must happen. So that's a pretty big gift to have. So be, grateful, and also be devotional to that. Be respectful of that. Let's say it out loud together. I'm going to call and respond. Okay, so I'll call and y'all respond. Ajai Alai. Abay, abay. Abu, aju. Anas, akas. Aganj, abunge. Aluk, abuk. Akal, diyal. Alek, abek. Anam, akam. Agaha, adaha. Anate, pramate. Ajoni, amoni. Narage, narange. Narupe, nareke. A kadamung, a budamung. Good. A ganje, a leke. You got it. All right. So we're going to do this to a mantra by Dr. Joseph Michael Levry. Danielle and I were listening to these yesterday, and we liked this one because it's boom, boom, boom. It's clear to follow. Yeah. I'm also going to be offering this mantra as a 40-day meditation. It's going to start on the 30th. We're doing it on Zoom, 6 to 6:45 a.m. on Zoom. You'll get the replay, and we're going to do it for 40 days. And it ends right before we start the new year of the fire horse, the 40 days. Is that correct? So we calculated the timing. It's perfect timing. And we'll do on the 30th, we'll start it. And then I'll do probably 3 check-ins where we can come together on Zoom again to just consolidate. But we're going to do it on your own. And you'll get the PDF. You have the PDF already. It's $22 to do it, and which is a master number. All right, are you ready? So here's the mudra. These are my Jupiter fingers. Right hand faces away, left hand faces the chest. And I'm going to cross at the first digit. So this is my right hand facing out. This is my left hand facing in. I'm crossing the Jupiter fingers at the first digit. Now, my thumb is going to lock down my Saturn finger, which is the middle finger. You're just going to hold this like this. Easy. You're going to hold it at the heart center, and your eyes will be directed down towards this cross. that you're creating with this mudra. All right, let's begin. So we're going to chant it together. So just follow along on your sheet. No problem. Put it where you can see it down below you so it's in alignment. So you're not doing anything weird with your alignment. Ajai Alai. Abe. Abu. Aju. Anas. Akas. Alak. Abak. Akal. Dial. Thank you, dear. Abak. Anam. Akam. Agaha. Adaha. Anote. Pramote. Ajon. He says it a little different. Narage. Narenge. That's okay. Listen. Narupe. Nareke. Akaramang. Abaramang. Adanje. Aleke. Now we start over. Ajai Alai. Very good. Abe. Abu. Aju. Anas. Akas. Aganj. Abanj. Alak. Abak. Akal. Deal. Alek. Abek. Anam. Akam. Aga. Nadaha. Anate. Pramate. Ajoni. Amoni. Nareke. Narenge. Narupe. Nareke. Akaramang. Abaramang. Aganje. Aleke. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Consolidate all these sound codes within every cell. Exhale out the mouth. Deep breath in again through the nose. Hold and consolidate and integrate. Exhale. Now inhale and stretch up. Stretch the fingers open wide. Stretch up. Feel grounded yet stretching upward simultaneously. Now when you exhale, start to shake. Shake, 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 shake. Lower the arms and just start to shake everything. Shake it all in. Shake it all in. Shake, shake, shake. Keep shaking, please. Beautiful. And then relax and sit still for a moment.